Welcome to Model 5. How to make a quiz game. So to get started, we will delete the existing sprite, then click on Paint and choose Backdrop. This takes us to Costume, the costume aspects of backdrops automatically. So we would remove one backdrop and then we have just one left. We would change the name to first backdrop. Okay, so we have first backdrop, then click on T for text, and write quiz. Okay, click on T again and write. Okay, we can make this bigger and can adjust it. Okay, so click on T again and write total question. We don't have to use uppercase, so we write total questions, let's say 5, and then click on T again and write total marks, initial caps, total marks, let's say 5, so each question has 1 mark, and then click on T again and say total time, let's give 60 seconds. So let's properly adjust this. Properly adjust this. Okay, so this is what we have. Total questions 5, total mark 5, total time 60 seconds. So we choose another backdrop 2, so click on Paint and rename it to Quiz End. Let's rename it to Quiz End or End Quiz. End Quiz. Okay, and click on T as usual and write, and let's use all caps, right? And quiz, and increase the size, add another write up, click flag to restart. Click flag to restart. So let's adjust this properly. Take it down. Okay, so let's get another backdrop. Let's duplicate to make it easier. So we have another backdrop. Let's edit it to time up. call this backdrop time up, and we edit. I did the right up to time up, and we can change the color to something else. Let's do red. Very good. So now we have time up. So we'll go back to our code area. Go back to our code area and choose a sprite. Let's choose sprite Avery. Okay. So we have sprite Avery, and then we go to events and drag when flag clicked. Go to looks, drag. Go to looks and drag hide, and then drag switch backdrop here. Switch backdrop to first backdrop, and then go to control and wait 3 seconds. Wait for 3 seconds, then go to variables. We'll make a variable score. Make a variable score, and let's make another variable. We'll call it timer. Okay, so we move score and timer to this part of our project area. Okay, then get back to events and drag when flag clicked. Set score, we get that in variables. Set score. So let's adjust this a bit. Set score to 0. Set timer. Change my variable to timer so that we can have set timer to 60. Same to 60 seconds that we choose. Then we'll take hide variable score, hide variable timer, hide variable timer, and then we go to control and wait 3 seconds. Go to control and repeat 30, right? Go back to variables, change timer by -1 inside the repeat block. Go back to control and wait for 1 second. Good. So to add the quiz questions, we had create more, purchase Scratch 2.0 to continue the course. It's going to be another insightful journey to building amazing educational games. See you in the next course. Thank you.